Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Shiphaudali ki Autonomous District Council jong ki Jilla North East India ki bahap habo ka 6th Schedule Constitution kari India ki la Pynlong ka Jingïakynduh lang Tripura Castle Shillong nak benta ban Ïatai ka jingpen kre ka Sarkar India ban penkala ki kendon an ka 6th Schedule uba penyat sing CM ka KHADC ubala pediang buram ki MDC ulaong baka ni ka Jingïakynduh ban Ïatai sani baha hadin baka kenhun kalawan Jingïakynduh ya u Amit Shah Menteri ka Sarkar Pedeng ubapet ya katanat kampo yang hanong ba Delhi.
To you all, members, guests, dignitaries from respective autonomous council under the 6th schedule, especially Pramod Ji, Guru, who is the CM of the Guru Territorial Council, who's like our elder brother, and Pradeep, who's local. I would say that you are very close to the Khasi community in Shillong, and who's the Maharaja of Tripura, Chairman of Tripura, has given us this place, a beautiful place, to host you all for this first conference of the ADCs. And he has given this hall, given the room for guests to stay. Thank you so much, Bart. We don't have anything to repay you, but just our prayers that you get good health. And all the CMs who are here. So actually, this meeting today, we have decided that when we had a meeting in Delhi several times, discussing about the ongoing pending issue of the 125th Constitutional Amendment. So, regarding this, under the leadership of Pramod Boro, CM of Bodo, and Mr. Pradeep, and all the leaders, and from Kapi Amno, we discussed that we need to meet among all the ADCs once. So, Pramod has called us in Delhi last 2 weeks, where we had a meeting several times, and also met the Union Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah, to express our concern over the delay of this amendment. So during that meeting, which was held in Delhi, it was a fruitful meeting and positive response from the Union Home Minister, where he had told us that regarding the 125th Constitutional Amendment and this 6th schedule in particular will be taken into consideration.
We have met several times, but this is different where nearly all the delegates attend this meeting. I understand that the main objective of this meeting is to discuss about the ongoing proposed amendment of the Constitution of India in regards to the 6th schedule. I hope that our conference held today will be fruitful. Unitedly as the councils in the northeastern region, we will work together for the interests of the people. I will not longer my speech because I understand that we have a discussion among all the delegates to express their views and opinions in regards with the amendment of the 6th schedule in the Constitution.